Are you risking your crypto without even realizing it? Today's urgent message is for everyone navigating the crypto world. Never share your seed phrase. This simple action could protect your entire investment, but if you slip up, it could spell disaster. A seed phrase is the key to your crypto kingdom, a series of random words that serves as the ultimate backup to your wallet. Think of it as your wallet's master key. If anyone else gains access to it, they gain access to everything in your wallet. It's that powerful and that vulnerable. Unfortunately, many people make the mistake of sharing their seed phrase without understanding the risks. Some might do it by accident, thinking they're just getting help, or out of convenience by saving it digitally. But here's the hard truth. Once you share your seed phrase, you're risking it all. Scammers know how tempting it is to trust others online or seek quick help. They wait for people to post their seed phrases, either through social media or on forums. Once they have your seed phrase, they can drain your account in moments. Imagine everything you've saved or invested being taken away in the blink of an eye. Now, here's something to be aware of. Sometimes people intentionally post their seed phrases, claiming to offer free money or unclaimed wallets. This can be a scam. Often scammers set up these fake phrases to lure others in, hoping someone will try to access the wallet and unknowingly download malware or give up their own sensitive information. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. So, what can you do to stay safe? First, never store your seed phrase on any digital device. Keep it offline. Write it down on paper and secure it somewhere safe and private. Treat your seed phrase like your most valuable possession because, in the crypto world, it really is. Crypto security is a responsibility. By staying informed, you protect not only your assets but also support a safer crypto community. If you found this information helpful, consider giving this video a like, subscribing for more crypto security tips, and sharing it to help others stay protected. Thanks for watching. Remember, in the crypto world, knowledge is power, and security is everything. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.